Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Brain Sprout Channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of technology and how it shapes our lives. Today, we're exploring a topic that might just surprise you. What does your smartphone really know about you? Let's start with the basics. Your smartphone is more than just a communication device. It's a powerful tool that collects a wealth of information about your daily habits, preferences, and even your location. From the moment you power it on, your phone begins to gather data that can paint a detailed picture of who you are. First up, let's talk about location tracking. Most smartphones come equipped with GPS technology, which allows them to pinpoint your location with remarkable accuracy. This feature is incredibly useful for navigation and finding nearby services, but it also means that your phone knows where you are at almost any given moment. Many apps request access to your location, which can enhance your experience, but also raises questions about privacy. It's important to regularly check your location settings and decide which apps truly need this information. Next, consider the apps you use. Each app collects data to improve its functionality and user experience. For instance, social media platforms analyze your interactions to curate content that aligns with your interests. This means your phone knows what you like, who you interact with, and even what you might want to buy next. While this can lead to a more personalized experience, it's essential to be mindful of how much information you're sharing and with whom. Your smartphone also keeps track of your online behavior. From your search history to the websites you visit, this data helps create a digital profile of your interests and habits. Advertisers use this information to target you with tailored ads, which can sometimes feel a bit intrusive. To regain some control, consider adjusting your privacy settings and exploring options to limit ad tracking. Let's not forget about health data. Many smartphones come with health tracking features that monitor your physical activity, sleep patterns, and even heart rate. This information can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but it's crucial to understand how this data is stored and shared. Always review the privacy policies of health-related apps to ensure your information remains secure. In conclusion, while your smartphone can enhance your life in many ways, it's essential to stay informed about what it knows about you. Regularly reviewing your privacy settings and being mindful of the data you share can help you maintain control over your personal information. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.